ومن أحسن قولا ممن دعا إلى الله وعمل صالحا وقال إنني من المسلمين.
But think about it, right? Like let's say you make something new, right? Would you just throw it and tell people do whatever? Or would you give some kind of instruction how to use it? Right? So when God created us, wouldn't He send us a message, a prophet to show us how to live, what to do, what not to do? Well, would that make sense to you? It makes sense? All right, good. So if you believe there's only one God, none should be worshipped except that one God, and you believe that God, it makes sense that He sent prophets and messages to guide us, then that's the Muslim belief already, bro. You're there. You feel me? Right? So what's stopping you from being a Muslim?
Because I got a lot of different beliefs than what other people believe in. Like I believe in a God, but I don't believe in like all the religions that people believe in. Like,
no, forget.
I believe I see like Christianity, you got Muslim, you got all these different religions, and I'm just thinking like if there's supposed to be a one God, like
exactly. But see, that's how. But see, we do know about God, and we believe in the same God that all the prophets believed in. The problem with Christians is they worship Jesus. Well, Jesus is not God, right? Yeah. I mean, Jews worship money. I don't know, whatever they worship, right? But they don't worship God, right? We be worshiping that one God, right? So when you believe in God, what do you believe about God? Do you believe God's a man?
I'm saying I believe God brought us on this earth for a purpose. I believe that.
There you go. As Muslims, we believe that.
I believe that, God, everybody got a purpose on this earth. And when
there you
go.
Is
up, it's over, you know?
And your purpose is to recognize your Creator and worship Him, right? To live a righteous life. In the Quran, it says about God, الَّذِي خَلَقَ الْمَوْتِ, the one who created death, وَالْحَيَاةِ, and life, لِيَبْلُوَكُمْ, to see, أَيُّكُمْ, which one of you, أَحْسَنُ عَمَلًا, is the best in deeds, right? مَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ. We did not create the jinn and man except to worship. First to recognize, how are you going to worship what you don't know? And then to live a righteous life. Like, because life is a test, right? You could do wrong, you could do right, right? And death is when the test ends, and the day of judgment is when you get your results. You believe that? You're Muslim, bro. Come here, man. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Look, you know what it means to be a Muslim? We ain't gonna baptize you. We're gonna throw water on you or something, right?
I got a lot of my brothers is Muslims.
Bro, you will be a Muslim right with them today. Let me check this out, right? What it means to be a Muslim is you testify. You say, I bear witness, none should be worshipped except one God above. You agree? Okay, you testify to that? That's the beginning. You say, I believe that Jesus, Abraham, Muhammad, these were prophets. They were servants of God. They weren't God. They were the ones that brought the message of God. You believe that?
Yeah, I believe that.
That's being a Muslim. That's it. I mean, the prayer and fasting, all that, your family can teach you, but we're going to do your testimony, all right? You're gonna testify like you just did.
Well, I got somewhere to go right now, though.
You're going to be Muslim first, man. What's more important?
Right now, I'm not ready to make that transition.
Take your time.
I feel as though like this.
But you got the Quran, right?
When you make that transition in life to be a Muslim or to be a part of any religion, all the gang banging and all that stuff goes to go to the side.
You're right.
I feel like a part of that type of stuff. So I wouldn't want to bring my negative into somebody else.
But what I'm saying is, but when is
a lot of people that I believe in, like, you got a lot of people that say they Muslim, but they gang bangers, but they're praying next to their brother, then they kill their brother. So it's like,
and that's
how
wrong.
can you say that's your brother?
100%, you're right about that. But my question is,
I just feel like a lot of people be like jacking the Muslim community, like not. I'm saying they be like trying to jack them because it's like if they're in a gang and they get in trouble with their gang, they gonna have y'all to fall back on.
Right.
I feel as though that ain't right because they put y'all in a situation that y'all shouldn't be in.
I feel you, but what I'm saying is, when is going to be the right time for you to get out of all that? After you get shot and die?
Oh, well, I already made my transition to working and stuff like that. I don't be around them people, but one thing I can say.
So that means today is a good day?
That, once you join something, you can never be a part of that, because you will always be known to be a part of that organization.
Look, I used to be in a gang myself, right? I became Muslim, I left it. Today I'm out, right? One day I decided I'm not going to wait to be the next one in the grave, right? Because once you're dead, then you can't become Muslim after that. How do you know you ain't going to get shot today? How you doing, brother?
My bad. I'm talking to my man though. What up, my guy? What you doing today? We'll get a couple of outfits. Trying to get back up the hill.
He's becoming Muslim, man. That's what he's doing. You want to join him?
Because I just did OT last night, but you just lurking, huh? I ain't nothing no good. I'm always chilling, you know what I'm saying? But I'm about to...
Go for it, man. Have a good one, man. Jesus, we don't worship Muhammad. Peace be upon them. We love them, we respect them, but we don't worship them. What do you think? That makes sense?
No, I'm not Christian. No. You said I'm not Christian?
No, I'm saying, does that make sense?
Oh, yeah, it makes a lot of sense.
Khalas, you're becoming Muslim. What's stopping you?
A lot of sense. It's like I just telling him, you know, it's a lot going on with me right now. Like,
I'll tell you what, look. All of us
my
have...
father, he Muslim. And
All right, khalas, man. You're going to be Muslim today, man. Look at this.
it's off every day.
All of us have struggles.
Yeah.
Life will never stop having struggles. So if you're waiting for like a time when you're not going to have stuff going on, that's probably going to be after death. You feel me? So do you believe there's only one God? You believe none should be worshipped except that one Allah?
That one God.
You believe that we follow the Prophet, but we don't worship them? You believe Abraham, Moses, Jesus, Muhammad were prophets? We're doing your shahada. You're becoming Muslim right now with me, bro.
I appreciate you.
Arabic first or English first?
Arabic. I want to learn Arabic.
All right, we're going to do it. Say it with me, all right? Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa
wa
ashhadu
ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluhu.
wa rasuluhu.
Allahu Akbar. You're Muslim. All right, English. We're doing English. I bear witness
I bear witness.
there is none worthy of worship
None worthy of worship
except Allah.
except Allah.
And I bear witness
And I bear witness
that Muhammad
that Muhammad
is the servant
is the servant
and messenger of Allah.
and the messenger of Allah.
You feel better now? You feel that? Let's call your dad. Tell him you're a Muslim. Let's call him. I'm going to talk to him real quick, man. Your dad is Muslim. He's going to be happy. Edward, brother, this is your brother Uthman ibn Farooq. I'm with your son. He just did his shahada. It's a beautiful day. You're both Muslims now. So you brothers, as he's your son, he's also your brother in Islam. You got to take care of him now, all right? Assalamu alaikum, brother.
I appreciate that so much.
Órale.
Definitely appreciate that. Thank you, brother.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you so much.
¿Es Dios uno o dos o tres?
No, la primera religión era los
No,
musulmanes.
no. Es Dios uno. Sí, muy bien.
Musulmán, no hay que
No,
buscarle más historia que la primera religión.
Musulmanos.
Musulmán.
Musulmanos.
The Catholic kill you Muslim.
yes, that's true.
The Catholic kill you Muslim.
That's true.
And kill you Christian.
Talk
And
about
number
it.
one is Muslim people. The people
Allahu
who
Akbar.
believe.
That's beautiful.
Yes,
Number
it
one
is.
is Muslim people.
He pray God, number
Yeah.
5 days. This is you need it.
Yes.
And number one.
5 days. You took your shahada? You're Muslim?
I know Muslim.
Okay, but you Muslim?
The Sam.
Ah.
She's not here. She's over there.
With Allah.
The devil here.
Ah.
The people know. The people no
Diablo. Sí.
Yeah, the people
Sí.
no believe to more.
Yeah. But you believe one Dios. You believe Muhammad is Profeta.
No me profeta, number one.
You're Muslim, bro.
I know. I
Yes.
did the Muslim 3 times.
Okay, 3 times.
Muhammad put the moon in the house.
He split the moon. Yeah, man, you know. Mi hermano. Muy bien.
She's number one.
You go to the mosquita or what?
She's a coming.
Yeah. You have a Quran? When you pray to Allah, right? There you go, man. So that God sent prophets that guided us, like Abraham, Moses, Jesus, Muhammad. You believe those were prophets?
They prophets, that's right.
You don't believe Jesus is God, right?
No, Jesus ain't
You're
God.
Muslim, bro. What are you doing, man?
Right. Jesus ain't God.
Jesus
My
ain't
God is
God.
Allah.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. We're doing your shahada. You're going to become an official Muslim today.
All right.
You ready?
Sure.
All right, we're going to do it together. You want to do Arabic first or English first?
I don't know that much about Arabic.
All right,
Show me.
I'll say it, you say it with me. We'll do English first, all right?
Okay.
So what I'm going to say, if you believe in, then from now on you're Muslim, all right?
I repeat what you said.
There you go. Say, I bear witness
I be a witness.
there is none worthy of worship
Wait, none is worthy of worship
except Allah.
except Allah.
And I bear witness
I be a witness.
that Muhammad
Muhammad,
is the servant and messenger of Allah.
messenger of Allah.
Allahu Akbar. You're Muslim. All praise. You already know that stuff, man. All right, Arabic, we're going to do it together, all right? Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah
Allah
ilaha
Allah
illallah
illallah
wa
wa
ashhadu
ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abdahu
wa rasuluh.
wa
Allahu Akbar. You are a Muslim, brother.
ومن أحسن قولا ممن دعا إلى الله وعمل صالحا وقال إنني